Welcome everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today I'm going to be repairing a iPhone 7 Plus. Has a cracked screen and the LCD, I don't know if you can see that, it lightly comes on, but there's no picture. So I'm going to go ahead and replace that with our XF5 screen. And as always, I'm going to go ahead and start the timer, speed up the video, and show you the final results. So hope you enjoy. We are done. So 16 minutes and 21 seconds. And brand new iPhone 7 Plus with the XF5 screen. This is the higher quality screen. This, in my opinion, is better than the OEM. It has deeper blacks, deeper whites. This is what I recommend to all my customers, and it's half the cost of the OEM. So if you need an iPhone repair, battery replacement, anything Apple, we do factory unlocks, we do carrier unlocks, so you can go to different companies. So if you wanted to go from like Sprint to T-Mobile or AT&T to T-Mobile or to Metro, anything like that, we do all of that. Also Final Cut Pro tutorials, Photoshop tutorials, even iPhone, Mac tutorials. We pretty much do everything, even Samsung's. So check out our website. I'll leave a link in the description below. And also make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I post a lot of videos and I'll be doing these pretty much almost every day. And as well, please share these on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. It always helps. So again, thank you, and I will see you guys soon.